Hi everyone, welcome back to Lauren B IGTV. I'm Catherine, this is Arik, and today's episode is going to be about cleaning your ring to keep it sparkling and looking brand new. We have all these props out here and it looks like you're about to watch a cooking show, but we're going to show you the proper way to clean your ring.
Excellent. So the purpose of a diamond or any gemstone is to sparkle and have brilliance. So the minute that any kind of surface grime or dirt or lotion or anything gets on the gemstone or diamond or in your ring, it loses that beauty. So you really want to make it look like the first day you got it all the time. So right in front of me over here, I have two identical round diamonds in that they're both excellent cut. They're both very high clarity, beautiful stones. And the only difference is one of them has just been cleaned and the other one is very dirty. It's covered in lotion and some other factors that can make it lose its sparkle. It's been through a lot. So as you can see here, the clean ring steals the show. It's beautiful, it's sparkling, you see all the fire, the brilliance, and the other one just looks dull and lifeless. So just to further reinforce this point, I'm going to bring another ring into the picture. And this one is actually a diamond that is a lower quality. It's a cloudy diamond. No matter how much we clean this ring or use any tips or tricks that we teach you, it's not going to look as beautiful as the first diamond that we showed you. So you look at these two, they look exactly the same as far as their brilliance. They don't have much of it. They're hazy and you can see that right away. So why do these kind of rings, why does it lose their sparkle when it gets dirty?
So I have a loose diamond here to show you guys. So diamonds get their sparkle and fire and brilliance by taking in light from the top through their facets and then reflects back out to the viewer's eye, and that's what maintains its sparkle and all of its brilliance. As factors like lotion or toothpaste, like anything gets stuck on it, it's going to lose its ability to do so when there's a film covering it. So a diamond naturally is a sticky substance. It's going to attract dirt, grease, oils to it. So it's important to keep it shining and clean. So the same thing goes for the metal of the band or the ring that's holding your diamond. As that begins to wear, it's going to dull and will also affect the appearance of your ring. So one of the hardest parts to clean is right underneath, under the diamond where the stems or the prongs are. It's really susceptible for dirt and lotions to get stuck under there. So some things that we recommend not to do would be, don't wear your ring in the shower. Soap, shampoo can easily get stuck under there, or cleaning your house or cooking, any oils or dish soap is very easily going to get stuck in your ring. So even like doing your makeup in your house, like make your ring the last thing to go on your hand when you're getting ready to go out. As you're doing, if you put hairspray, that already creates a film on your ring, and then when you do makeup, that can brush off and end up getting stuck on the diamond. So make that the last thing. Also, do not wear your ring at the gym. That easily attracts dirt and sweat, and it can also damage your ring. It's very delicate. So, with weights or spin class, it's better to just take your ring off and not wear it at the gym. Also, another trick is don't take your ring off by holding it from the top of the diamond. Definitely hold the side of the ring here to take it off. Don't pull from here, because that's automatically going to fog up the top of your diamond. So before we show you our at-home cleaning tips, Arik is going to show us what not to do when cleaning your ring.
Great, thank you. So first of all, one thing to know is that none of these methods will damage your diamond, but they can damage your ring, and they could end up causing some more surface buildup on your diamond. So when you start to Google stuff, be careful, because a lot of stuff you read out there is not true. First of all, they say toothpaste. We don't recommend toothpaste. It has some substances in it that actually will get stuck on your ring, and diamond are very hard to clean off unless you have a very strong steamer at home. Next one is, boom, boiling water. That's also very bad, because that can cause the metal of your ring to expand and for little stones to come out and also fractures to occur. So warm water is fine, room temperature is fine, even cold is okay also. Next is vodka bath. Surprised to hear about this one. It's better to drink it than to clean your ring in it. So avoid that as well. It has a very harsh, can be also damage to the metal of your ring. Ketchup, surprised about this one. Also better for your hamburger or hot dog, not good for jewelry, so stay away from that as well. Espresso machine. And last thing is using like a very big, heavy brush like this. yeah, you might get a lot of the dirt out, but you don't need to go to that extreme. You can end up damaging your ring as well. So avoid all these, and we're going to show you a very simple at-home cleaning right here that anybody can do.
We have 2 rings here. They're pretty dirty. Both of them are in need of a good cleaning, so we're going to show you what to do to get them back to life. So the first method would be just to have some warm water and a couple of drops of the dish soap. So like Arik said, nothing too hot, like cold or room temperature, even like some warm water would be fine. You can pour that in and add a couple of drops of dish soap, then let your ring soak for a couple of minutes. Just let it sit there. You can take it out, and then using a very, very soft toothbrush, not that larger big brush that Arik showed us before, but a really soft bristle toothbrush, and you can really, really gently scrub here, not too harsh because you don't want to affect the metal or the stones, but just to get out any lotion or Purell that's stuck underneath there. So you can do that and then let it sit for a couple more minutes, and then you'll rinse it under some warm water in here, and then it should be good to go. You can dry it off with a really soft cloth, and it should be nice and sparkling and new, just like this. Secondly, if you are a Lauren B customer, we send all of our clients a cleaning pen when they purchase an engagement ring. So it looks like this. You just take the cap off. It's an all-natural cleaner. You twist the top and just brush it really gently over the pave. The brush here can also be used underneath for any lotion. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you'll also rinse this in warm water. You can use a separate little bin like we have, or under your sink. Just make sure that the drain is covered when you go to rinse your ring. You don't want to lose your ring.
Finally, if you're one of our New York clients locally, we offer free lifetime cleaning and inspection of your ring. So feel free to stop by our store. This is the most efficient method of cleaning. We have a special ultrasonic cleaner, which is a special solution inside there. So first we let the ring soak in there for about a minute or 2 minutes, and the vibrations of the solution also help to loosen up the dirt. After that, we're going to take it out. We're going to steam it, not too much on one side. We're going to try to rotate as much as possible. See exactly how sparkling and brand new it looks, and it looks actually very similar to the one that we cleaned at home. So remember both of these tips: at home cleaning, or if you happen to be in New York, we'll clean it for you. Come to our store, but just try to avoid what we told you not to do, and your ring should last a beautiful lifetime.
Thanks for watching.